everyone. Today we are going to learn another reaction of alkyl halide with active metal, and the name of the reaction is Wurtz reaction. In Wurtz reaction, alkyl halides will react with sodium metal like this. Rx plus Na in presence of dry ether. But here, for the purpose of balancing, we require to put 2 as the stoichiometric coefficient. So our equation now becomes 2 times Rx plus 2 Na in presence of dry ether. Now what are we going to do is, for the simplicity of understanding the reaction, instead of writing 2 Rx, we will write Rx twice in the reaction. But how are we going to write? Here we have written Rx. So when we write Rx over here, we will write it other way around like this. We are going to write it as XR. Here we have written Rx. So here we will write down XR so that understanding of the reaction becomes easier. Okay. 2 times Rx, it's same as writing the Rx twice. 2 Rx and Rx. So this is what we have done. Similarly, if you want, you can also write down Na plus Na as well for the simplicity of understanding. Na plus Na, 2 times Na is nothing but Na plus Na. So now the reaction that is going to take place is this. The sodium metals, by reacting with halogen atoms of the alkyl halide, it will form NaX. How it is going to form? This is one molecule of NaX and this is second molecule of NaX. So can I write it as 2 times NaX because 2 molecules of NaX are formed. Now what is left over here is this R alkyl group and this another R, that is alkyl group. So this alkyl group and this alkyl group will join with each other like this. RR, and RR is nothing but alkane of the reaction. So this is how, if we begin with alkyl halide, we get the formation of higher alkane. So now what do you mean by higher alkane? Let us understand this with one example. So let us take CH3Br methyl bromide as the reactant. This methyl bromide is going to react with Na. So you can either write Na plus Na or simply you can write 2 times Na. Similarly, you can write 2 times CH3Br if you are confident enough. But if you are not confident enough to write down the product, write this CH3Br again over here. So if you observe our general reaction, this Rx is written as XR over here. So similarly, CH3Br will be written other way around, Br first and then CH3. So we will write CH3Br like this. CH3Br. Then sodium will react with bromine to form 2 molecules, like 2 times NaBr over here. Two times sodium bromide. Now what is left? This alkyl group CH3 and this alkyl group CH3, they will join with each other to form CH3, single bond CH3. CH3 single bond CH3 is alkane with 2 carbon atoms, which is nothing but ethane. So, if you begin with methyl bromide has only 1 carbon atom present, but the product alkane that we are getting is having 2 carbon atoms in ethane. So, therefore, we can say that we are getting a formation of higher alkane with double the number of carbon atoms. If you begin with the reactant of 1 carbon atom, you get a product of 2 carbon atoms. If you begin with the reactant of 2 carbon atom, you get a product with 4 carbon atoms. So let us learn one more example of this. So now let us take the example of ethyl bromide. CH3 CH2Br, or else what you can write is this. C2H5Br. This CH3 CH2, 2 carbon atoms, and 3 plus 2 5 hydrogen atoms. So this ethyl group can be written as C2H5, or it can also be written as CH3 CH2Br. So the choice is yours. I prefer writing the ethyl bromide like this. Plus 2 times Na. Plus we are going to write down one more structure of ethyl bromide, but how are we going to write down? Other way around. Here we have it as CH3 CH2Br. अभी उसी को उल्टा लिखेंगे, Br CH2 and CH3 like this. Br. After Br we will write CH2. After CH2 we will write CH3. And you should not forget to write dry ether. If you do not use dry ether, the reaction will not take place. So now what is going to happen is this. Like this sodium bromide 2 times NaBr will be formed. Now this CH3CH2 and CH2CH3 will form higher alkane. So जो भी बचा हुआ है, we will write it exactly like this. CH3CH2 ऐसा कैसा लिख देंगे? Or what is left on this side? Again single bond CH2, single bond CH3. So what we have obtained over here is alkane with 4 carbon atom, which is butane. So here also you must have observed that if we start with alkyl halide having 2 carbon atoms, we get the formation of alkane having 4 carbon atoms. Now let us understand this with one more example so that there will be no doubt left in your mind. So as of now we have taken 2 examples which are primary alkyl halides. Now let us take one more example of secondary alkyl halide. Now, how are we going to write down our alkyl halide second time? In the reverse order. We will write down I, then single bond CH, and then 2 bonds CH3CH3. Exactly reverse order of the order that we have written over here. So you must have guessed the product by now. 2 times sodium iodide is going to be the byproduct. Then what will be our main product? This alkyl group will join with this alkyl group. So we will write what is there on this side as it is CH3. CH3 को ऐसा कैसा लिख देंगे? CH3. Then बचा हुआ पार्ट क्या है? Again CH3. So a single bond CH and CH3. Plus 2 times sodium iodide. So now if you have a look at this, here we have 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms in the reactant, but in the product alkane that we have obtained 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms are present. So here also we have obtained an higher alkane with double the number of carbon atoms. If you want to write down the name of the product over here, let us look at the longest chain first. This is the longest chain. Then we will start numbering. Now you can start numbering from either of the side because दोनों भी side से अगर start करेंगे, the numbering is going to be same. So let us begin with this side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 2 methyl groups are attached. These are 2 methyl groups. One is attached to the second carbon, then second methyl group is attached to third carbon. So what are we going to write? 2, 3. How many methyl groups? 2 methyl groups. So therefore we will write down dimethyl. And if you look at our parent alkane, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms, that means parent alkane is butane. So 2, 3 dimethyl butane is the product formed. So if you begin with 2-iodopropane, this structure is 2-iodopropane like this. This is the first carbon. Second carbon and third carbon, iodine is attached to the second carbon. So this structure is 2-iodopropane. So when you begin with 2-iodopropane having 3 carbon atoms, then you get a product which is 2, 3 dimethyl butane, which has got double the number of carbon atoms, that is 6 carbon atoms. But this reaction fails in case of tertiary alkyl halides, because we all know that reactivity of tertiary alkyl halides is maximum towards dehydrohalogenation reaction. We have learned that in previous videos. So if at all we have a tertiary alkyl halide and if we try to carry out this word synthesis, this will not take place because they have more tendency towards dehydrohalogenation reaction. So therefore they will prefer undergoing dehydrogenation, dehydrohalogenation reaction. So therefore this reaction fails in case of tertiary alkyl halides. In the next example of Wurtz reaction, we will take a mixture of alkyl halide. As of now, we have just taken same alkyl halides, but now we will take a mixture of alkyl halide. So let us represent one of the alkyl halide as Rx and another alkyl halide as R-X. Okay. So let us first study the general reaction. Rx is the alkyl halide which will react with sodium metal, and there is one more alkyl halide, R-X. Okay, so what are we actually trying to do? We are showing that both the alkyl halides are different by using a different symbol. Here we have taken R and here we have taken R-. That means both the alkyl groups are different. So this is the representation to show that we are taking a mixture of alkyl halide. In presence of dry ether, now when you take a reaction vessel and carry out the reaction, if this is the reaction vessel, what are you going to add in this? You are going to add first alkyl halide. This is our first alkyl halide and this is second alkyl halide. So in this reaction mixture, you will add your first alkyl halide. Then you will also add second alkyl halide. You will add dry ether and you will also add sodium. You will mix everything in the reaction vessel. But now when you are mixing all these reactants over here, there will not be only one molecule of Rx and only one molecule of R-X. There are going to be millions of molecules of Rx and millions of molecules of R-X. So it is not necessary that Rx will react with Rx itself, or it is not necessary that R-X will react with R-X itself. So let us understand this with assuming that there are 5 molecules of each, 5 of Rx and 5 of R-X, 5 of the first alkyl halide, 5 of the second alkyl halide. I am showing them with different colors. There are 5 molecules of first alkyl halide and 5 molecules of second alkyl halide. Now what is possible that this R, first of all, this is going to happen like this. Sodium will form NaX, so this NaX is out of question. वो तो अपना fixed product है. Now what is left is 5 molecules of first alkyl group and 5 molecules of second alkyl group. So ऐसा possible है कि ये जो first alkyl group है वो खुद के साथ combine करेगा, ऐसा वो खुद के साथ combine करके ऐसा एक प्रोडक्ट बनाएगा. ऐसा सोचते हैं कि ये भी खुद के साथ कंबाइन करके ज्वाइन होके प्रोडक्ट बन गया. सेम थिंग कैन हैपन ओवर हियर. This second alkyl group, this 2 molecules of second alkyl group will combine with each other to form a higher alkane. Similarly, these two molecules of second alkyl halide can combine with itself and they will form higher alkane. But it is not necessary that this orange color will combine with orange color always, or this green color will always combine with green color. There is a possibility that one orange color will combine with green color like this. One from here, the first alkyl group may combine with this second alkyl group to form alkane like this. So basically here we are getting a mixture of product. ये अपना एक प्रोडक्ट है, ये क्या है? R वाला प्रोडक्ट है. Then ये जो दोनों भी प्रोडक्ट है, this and this is the product which is R dash combining with R dash. But ये एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जहां पे R is combined to R dash. तीनों भी अल्केन्स है. R is alkane, R dash is also alkane, R dash is also alkane. But here we are getting 3 different products, a mixture of 3 different products. Okay, which was not the case in the previous examples. CH3 combined with CH3 to form CH3, that is ethane. But here we are getting 3 different products. So right now we are not going into the balancing of the reaction. We are just focusing on what type of products can be formed. So there are 3 possible products: RR, then second product is R dash, single bond R dash, and the third product is R, single bond R dash. Reality, sometimes we get a mixture of products which is little difficult to separate. So ऐसा वाला reaction, ऐसा वाला Wurtz reaction जिसमें we are using a mixture of alkyl halide. If we begin with mixture of this first alkyl halide and second alkyl halide, we also get a mixture of products which is difficult to सेपरेट फ्रॉम ईच अदर, और अगर हम इसको सेपरेट ही नहीं कर पाए तो रिएक्शन करने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं बनता. सो इसीलिए दिस काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शन इज जनरली नॉट प्रिफर्ड व्हेन यू वांट टू फॉर्म हायर अल्कीन्स. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस विथ वन मोर एग्जांपल. सो नाउ आवर फर्स्ट अल्काइल हैलाइड इज CH3Br methyl bromide. Plus sodium atom. Here I forgot to write NaX. But I know you must have understood that NaX is going to be the one more byproduct. So the first alkyl halide over here is methyl bromide plus Na plus. Let us assume that our second alkyl halide is C2H5Br या फिर CH3CH2Br, कैसे भी लिख सकते हो, which is ethyl bromide. But while writing, how are we going to write? In the reverse order, we will write CH3, single bond CH2, single bond Br, like this. So now, as I told you all, it is not possible that there is only one molecule of methyl bromide and only one molecule of ethyl bromide. There are going to be millions of molecules of the first alkyl halide, millions of molecules of second alkyl halide. So, just like this previous example, NaBr will be formed. After formation of NaBr, what is left is some molecules of CH3, some molecules of CH2, CH3, that is C2H5. So now some of the molecules of CH3 will react with itself. CH3 खुद के साथ react होगा, ऐसा वाला product खुद के साथ react होके R वाला product बनेगा CH3, CH3. CH3 is nothing but ethane. Then C2H5, there will be some molecules of C2H5 which they are going to react with itself. ऐसा वाला, imagine this to be C2H5. This is C2H5. And C2H5. Similarly, CH3. So some molecules of CH3 combined with itself to form ethane. Some molecules of C2H5 will combine with itself to form a butane, like this. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, which is butane. And it is exactly like this, where some molecules of CH3 will combine with the molecules of C2H5 to form R dash type product. So CH3, CH2, CH3 बनेगा. ethyl group, which is nothing but C2H5. So when you take one CH3 and combine it with C2H5, you get a formation of propane. So now you all must have observed, if we begin with the mixture of alkyl halides, here we have taken a mixture of methyl bromide and ethyl bromide, and when we get the product, we are getting the mixture of products, which is ethane, butane and propane. So three different products are obtained. So therefore such reactions are generally not preferred in the laboratory or in the industry. So this was all about Wurtz reaction. Thank you so much for watching.